You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, quite confusing. It comes from French. Another one of those for more confusing vocabulary. Many more for you at the end of this video. The British English pronunciation, self-aggrandizement. Self-aggrandizement. The Americans, more generally, the American English pronunciation is more commonly as self-aggrandizement. Self-aggrandizement. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.